Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you step by step how to start mining Ethereum proof of work. As you know, Ethereum proof of work is a new coin after the merge of the standard Ethereum we know. But in the past couple of days we see that the price of the Ethereum proof of work is going slowly up, and miners are interested in mining this coin. Personally, I think that this coin has a good future, and I've get requests to show you how to start mining this coin. First of all, you will need a Ethereum proof of work wallet address, and the easiest way to get address for Ethereum proof of work is to go to some of the exchanges for this coin. Like if you go to Coin Paprika and search Ethereum proof of work, it will look like this, and in this section you can go to exchanges and markets, and you will see that most of the exchanges has this coin. Binance has not added this coin yet. It has added feature to exchange this coin for another coin, but still you cannot deposit this coin. But I think that in the future, and Binance will add this coin for trading and other things. So if you want to get address, I am using address for this exchange. I have my personal link down in the description of the video. This exchange do not request any kind of registration of KYC. They are not asking for any documents, so you can use it freely without verification. But many users asked how to get mined coins to a MetaMask. So if you want to use MetaMask, you need to go to ethereum.org. This is the official site for this coin. Click on this button, get started. It will pop up another window, and if you want to set up MetaMask, click on the second link, set up ETHW wallet and claim airdrop. Now you can see that this is the main information you need to add this coin to MetaMask. Open your MetaMask and click on your icon and go to settings. In settings on MetaMask, go to this line that says networks and click on this button, add a network. Now you can copy and paste this from the main site like this. Just copy and paste. Like this, copy, paste. Chain ID, and currency symbol, and Explorer. And click on Save. Now you have your ETHW wallet address. This is your wallet address. If you refresh it, you will see that this is your, and if you want to send it, cancel and back, and this is your address. If you go in the chain selection, now you can see that you have ETH mainnet, Ethereum mainnet, and ETHW mainnet. This is how you add this coin to a MetaMask. Now, when you have your wallet address, you need to find a pool for mining this coin. So go to mining pool stats and just type in the search ETHW and you will find it in this field. Click on the Ethereum proof of work and now you will see all the pools for this coin. The biggest two pools are 2 miners and F2 pool, but for the spread of hash rate and it's recommended to use some of the other pools, but as the easiest for this video I will show you how to connect to 2 miners. Just click on 2 miners and it will open the window for 2 miners. I will show you like this, and now you have to go to how to start. In how to start section you have all the explanation on how to start mining Ethereum proof of work. If you want easier option, you can go to hashrate.no and you can go in the miner options and you can select what type of GPU you are using, NVIDIA or AMD. I'm using AMD. Now in second step you need to find Ethereum proof of work. Here it is, and click on the next step. Now you need to choose which miner you will use. They have added 5 miners, but for this video I will show you how to use Team Red miner. I personally do not use any of this miner. I am using Phoenix miner. I will show you how to set up batch file for Phoenix miner. But now I will show you how to set up Team Red miner. Click on the Team Red miner and now you need to choose your pool. As a first option is 2 miners. Click on the next step. Now I am from Europe and I do not need to change anything here. Click on the next step and now you will need to enter your ETHW address. I will use from MetaMask now. I just click on the account and back to the hashrate node. Paste in this box your address and click on the next step. Now you have 2 lines for this miner, one for simple mining and one for Windows. If you are using Windows, you need to copy this line in your batch file. You can download Phoenix Team Red miner in this section miners. Open, if you don't have the miner, go to this section where it says miners and you can find most popular miners. Just go to Team Red miner and it will says here in this, it will go to GitHub. In GitHub, click on the first link. Download is available in the GitHub release section. Click on this, and here you can download this miner. After you download this miner, you need to unpack it and just open the Timred miner. It should look something like this. And in this file, you need to find run Ethereum, ETHW, start. This is the file, start ETHW.bat. Just right click and open with text edit. And now you will see that there is already some line, but you need to go back to hashrate.no, copy this line, just click or select and copy, or here, and paste in your batch file and save it. And now you are ready to go for Windows. In simple mining, you need to add group config and copy this information in your group config there. So if you are not using Timred miner, if you are using Phoenix miner, you need to open your folder for the Phoenix miner, create new batch file, just copy and paste and rename it in like ETHW. Now right click, open with text edit, and it will pop up this window, and here you need to enter your information. You can use information from hashrate.no, so you can just copy this and in pool section you paste. Oh, sorry, I messed up. Paste your pool and your address and worker. Copy and paste. And this where it says coin, you delete this, and you are ready to start mining with Phoenix miner. So this is the main options for how to start Ethereum proof of work. Couple of easy steps. You need to set up your wallet in MetaMask, or use some of the exchanges for this coin. Use address from any of this exchange. You choose your mining pool. It has almost 30 mining pools, and then create your batch file, choose your miner, and set up mining options as I show you in the miner's batch file. I think that is it. So if you have some other questions, you can comment in the comment section, and that is it. Thank you for watching, thank you for being on my channel, and have a good day. Bye bye.